Hi, want to make an easy flower arrangement? Here are a few steps. You would require 6 red roses, a bunch of daisy flowers and a bunch of table palm leaves. I'm also using the white chrysanthemum flowers. How to cut these leaves? You're going to fold the leaves in such a way and trim it down to have a desired shape. And these leaves really look beautiful on all 4 sides. Now in the center, fix the chrysanthemum, and I'm going to use the same flowers on all sides by rotating it and fixing them at different angles. So now after fixing the flowers, you need to fill in some foliage to give a nice contrast. Here I'm using golden rods in between the flowers. Always remember, the foliage always remains below the flowers. To add some color to this beautiful arrangement, I'm also going to use the Dutch roses in all different angles to make something like this. Some bamboo sticks on the sides to add some length. So this was a very easy and a quick all-round flower arrangement. Hope you liked the video today. Please do like, share, subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.